alternative way to get the white cross, and I don't like this one as much because I like to get the waterfalls at the same time happening, just like this cube that we've got here. But the other way is just to get the white cross first, not to worry about the sides. So here we can see there's one here, the wrong way around. So if we turn it 90 degrees past, then we can bring it up. It naturally then fixes two of them, so that's good. Let's find another white center. Here it is. See how it's upside down? So if we just turn that face, it will now come up the right way. That's looking good. And where's the last one? Here it is on the side here. Okay, so like before on my previous video, it's easier to work with it on the bottom. That doesn't mess up the others. So if we turn that to the bottom, we can bring that around. Again, it's the wrong way around, we can see, to itself. So if we just turn that around, it's now the right way. It looks like we've ruined the other one, but it's not. It's just around here. So they look very similar. Again, don't worry about that one there. But they're not correct because the sides need to flow down. We can see that this should be blue coming down here. And that's no dramas. So remember the working space is on the bottom. So if this is the wrong way around, we turn it 180 degrees. So I call it from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Bring it around to the orange center. It's now at 6 o'clock upside down. And then we turn it back to 12 o'clock. The red one's on the bottom now at 6 o'clock. Bring that round to the red center. That's upside down. So turn that from 6 o'clock back to 12 o'clock. And the blue one's now at the bottom at 6 o'clock. Bring that around to the blue center. We can see that's now upside down. So turn it from 6 o'clock, like a clock face, back to 12 o'clock. Now all my sides are now done. And that's an alternative way of getting it to be the white cross.